are we feeling after border crossing, lads?
Didn't print off the visas. That's a strong maneuver.
Yeah. But we're all feeling good for now. We are on our first journey going to the gorilla orphanage. Everyone's kind of tried on their hiker gear for the first time. My leggings have gone down very well. Jamie's got a small child in a sack hanging around from his waist. Nico looks like he's off to five-a-side football training. You look like you're going to your Eton T1 trials, Nico.
Oh. On the road we came up on.
This is our room. Got a high ceiling, I imagine for the rain. Nice high beds for Jamie and me, but for Nico, if there's a viper in the room, Nico's getting it done first. Actually, I can see a bug at the end of his bed already.
Are you joking?
No. Here we are. Before we make the big climb. Nico's getting on with it as usual. Looking like good weather. So here we are at the bottom of congo. How you feeling, Niche? Excited, Jay?
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good. How are we feeling, lads?
Good. Yeah, good.
Yeah?
It's better now it's not raining.
Okay, Jamie.
Sorry?
A little rainy.
We're just having a
Just a
great
smidge.
day.
There might be something on the lens there, I'm not sure.
Just maybe a bit of egg. We are probably 2/3 up the way of the mountain. It hasn't taken long for Jamie to get nipple sweats. Look at him, he's lactating.
Look, my nipples are not there.
Sweaty man for the nipples. Okay, we've just passed 3,000 meters. Delirium has started to set in on me.
Where's the oxygen?
I'm giggling like a schoolgirl. Jamie's gone. His nipples leaking more now than ever. Nico.
Okay.
Final stop point. How's everyone feeling?
Good.
Good. Final
25 minutes.
25 minutes at the top. We're on the final ascent. Getting pretty steep. Oh, almost got over. You can start to smell the sulphur from the volcano, which is pretty cool. Me. That's Jay. Oh, fuck. This is our march to glory. Nico bringing up the front. Hooray, Niche. These are the cabins. That's the view. That's Jay Mac.
Welcome to Niragon Province. Welcome, welcome.
That is the largest lava lake in the world.
Having been summited.
Niche, how you feeling?
Oh mate, buzzing.
Tired?
Little tired, not trying to enjoy it, but a little tired.
Jay?
Yeah, I'm not in bad shape, actually.
Yeah.
Definitely, there was definitely hard work there.
Now, I'm not on the toilet, but that is the toilet there. And this would be the view were you to squat on the toilet and look out. However, it does smell quite badly. This is an out of breath Nico of our cabin. is our little two-roomer. View's not bad. Not too shabby.
Wow, it is blue down there.
So now it's the clouds have come in. It's our little kitchen. Kitchen come dining room. Come dine with me.
I love your commentary.
And then we turned out. Jamie spotted this.
It's just incredible.
Lara's now overflowed.
Overflown?
Right.
Happening.
High time, Les. Greetings from the Congo. Time is 5:15 in the morning. Just all just woken up. The volcano is still doing its thing. Jamie is there. Morning, Jamie. Good morning. Good evening. Neat. Morning. Morning. Arrived at Bukima tented camp, living up to its name. We're in a tent. Jay, how are you feeling?
So cold.
Deej,
Everything is damp.
how are you feeling after the climb?
Even the bed is damp.
It is very wet outside. I'll try and get a view of it.
Let me see the bed so I can see how quickly it's coming out.
I'm very wrong about. Here we are. On the morning of the gorillas. I, for one, am super excited. Got my anti-M sock protection on. We've met up with the guys who found the gorillas in the morning, and they're leading us to them. It's about 15 minutes away. I think I've been going for about an hour at unbelievable speed. We're almost there.
You look at the penis.
You join me in Mikano Lodge, in the shadow of Mikano Mountain. My bowels are currently in an excellent state.
Mine are pretty good.
Well, you join me and an invalid. You join us as Rory digs back into his porter's knapsack to find the key to our room, which he left in his North Face jacket. Captain's log. He's had a glass of water there. That's all from it. Me.
Monkeys, Jay, monkeys,
Monkeys.
monkeys, Jay, monkeys,
Monkeys.
monkeys, Jay,
Monkeys. Monkeys. That's all from it. Me.